First, we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 1 minus 10, which equals negative 9. So we have 1 minus 10, then times negative 9. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay? So in this expression, we have 1 subtraction and 1 multiplication. First, we have to do this multiplication. 10 times negative 9 gives us negative 90. So we have 1 minus negative 90. Negative times negative gives us positive. So we have 1 plus 90, which equals 91. And this is our final answer to this problem. And this answer is correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have 1 subtraction, 1 multiplication, and 1 parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 1 subtraction. So, according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, so this answer is correct. But if you don't follow this rule and first do this parentheses, then this subtraction, and finally this multiplication, you'll get the wrong answer, like this. First this parentheses. 1 minus 10 gives us negative 9. And here we have 1 minus 10, which gives us again negative 9. So negative 9 times negative 9 equals positive 81. But this answer is not correct. And the correct answer to this problem is just 91.